The campus is a public university in the Northbridge neighborhood of Los Angeles in the San Fernando Valley. The distance to LA city center is about 25 miles, which will take about 30 minutes by coach, making all PLUS students traveling an easy and pleasant experience. The PLUS packages are inclusive of many day excursions to and around LA. Malibu, Hollywood, Santa Monica, Pasadena are also within 30 minutes distance. As you can see from the picture, the campus is a quite large one, but the advantage is that all the facilities such as the accommodation, classes, sports facilities, refectory are all very close to each other, which makes it ideal for young learners between the age of 12 to 17. The total number of PLUS students that we host during the summertime is about 360 students per week. Regarding other full-day excursions to San Diego, Santa Monica, Hollywood, Beverly Hills, Newport Beach, Huntington Beach, and many other destinations are all within a maximum of 2 hours by coach.